Today, I'll show you how to create pre-filled links for Google Forms. If you want to send people a Google form with some answers already filled in, Google Forms has a built-in feature for that. Google says you can open the form, choose pre-fill form, enter the answers you want to pre-populate, and then generate a special link to share with respondents. That makes this really useful for registration forms, appointment forms, feedback forms, or any situation where some details are already known in advance. To get started, open your form in Google Forms on a computer. Then go to the top right corner and click the More menu, which is the three-dot icon. From that menu, choose Pre-fill Form. Google's official instructions say, this opens a version of the form where you can type or select the answers you want to appear automatically for the person who opens the link later. Now fill in only the fields you want to pre-populate. For example, you might pre-fill a name, event title, class, name, appointment type, or location. Once those fields are filled in, click Get Link. Google says Forms will then generate a special pre-filled URL that you can copy and send to respondents. When they open that link, the form will already contain the answers you entered earlier. This is especially helpful when you use the same form again and again. Google's workspace guidance gives examples like peer evaluations, event feedback, and repeated surveys where details such as project titles, student names, room numbers, or presenter names can already be filled in before the respondent starts. That saves time and reduces mistakes. One important thing to remember is that a pre-filled link does not lock the answers by default. It simply opens the form with those answers already entered, and the respondent can usually change them before submitting unless you design the form in a way that prevents that. So pre-filled links are great for convenience, but they are not the same thing as read-only fields. That follows from Google's official workflow, which describes pre-populating fields for respondents rather than locking them. So, in simple terms, open the form, click the three dots, choose pre-fill form, enter the answers you want, click Get Link, and then share that special URL. That is the built-in Google Forms method for creating pre-filled links, and that's how to create pre-filled links for Google Forms. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.